If you had one shot to install a CPU, would you do it?
Yo, binary codes are ready. CPU's brain is thinking and steady. If you want to know how, everybody's wondering now. To install this, just ask me and I'll show you how.
The CPU. Here we will remove the CPU by removing the clip, and then we will take the entire CPU out by using the locking mechanisms and closing them together, which will remove the CPU. The CPU, or central processing unit, which is the brains of the computer and holds the motherboard, which can change the binary code and interpret it. The CPU, which sits in the motherboard and processes the information, and it receives the binary code and motherboard, which is in the CPU. I know it's a lot of information to handle, but we'll get through this together. Now we will reinstall the CPU by placing it in its slots. You'll hear a click. You might have to push firmly, but you'll hear it. And now we will and then we also put in our clip again. There you go. Push that in. You hear another click. And there you go. The CPU.